In front of me is MEIZU M8, and today I would like to show you how you can set up an alarm clock on this device. First of all, locate clock and tap on it. Then you need to choose on this clock icon over here if it's not already on and tap on Add Alarm. Then set up an hour, and when you're done, choose Repeat. Select Monday to Friday, every day, never, or custom. I will go with custom, so now I can pick days of the week manually and save them by tapping on OK. Now choose sound over here and pick one of those songs as your alarm sound by tapping on the chosen one and going back. But you can also click on sound, select My Music and pick music from your device by clicking on one of your songs and going back. Now you can adjust the volume over here by swiping left or right, and when you're ready, save your alarm at the top right corner. As you can see, mine was successfully added. You can turn it off completely by tapping on the switcher next to it and turn it back on the same way. If you wish to delete your alarm, you need to hold it and tap on bin icon at the bottom. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!